Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum to all parents and my dear students. Hope you all are fine and in good condition of Iman. Today we are going to do English task of day 8. We will read book page number 49 and we will write on workbook page number 38 and 39. So first of all open your English reading book. Yes, we will read sounds with a. We will revise the sounds with a, u, a. So listen, look, and read. First word is hub. Hub. Second word is khud. Khud. Third word is hug. Hug. Fourth word is mum. Last word is fun. Fun. Come to the pictures. Here are some words with pictures. Look at the first picture. What is it? It's a cup of beer. So how you will read? Cub. Cub. Look at the second picture. It's a bathtub. So how to read tub? Tub. Tub. Now look at the third picture. It's a bud of flower. So how to read bud? Bud. Bird. Last picture is of an insect. It's a bug. So how to read bug? Bug. Bug. Look at the next part of this page. Yes. Next picture is of jug. So how to read jug? Jug. Jug. Next picture is of a mug. So let's read mug. Mug. Next is a rug. Rug. Next picture is of gum. So how to read gum? Gum. Look at the next picture. It's an action of run. So how to read run? Run. Next picture is of a bun. So let's read bun with sounds. Bun. Next picture is of sun. So let's read sun with sounds. Sun. Last picture is of hut. Hut. So students, today we have done our reading work. Now we will do our written work. So open your workbook 38. We will write capital A small a to capital Z small z. So let's start the work. Read Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, capital and small letters. Write A to Z. So let's start writing capital A and small a. Capital A will be in first 3 lines. As we have written many times, you will make 2 slanting lines from first to third line, then join these 2 lines in the middle on second line. Small a will be in middle 2 lines. Start from second line, make half circle till third line, then go upward till second line, make a standing line till third line, make a curve towards right. It's small a. Now you will write B. What is the sound of B? We are writing capital B. Let's write small b. Start from first line, make a standing line till third line, then make half circle. It's B. B. Now we will write C. First of all, we will write capital C. Then we will write small c in middle 2 lines, second and third line. C. What is the sound of C? After C, we will write D. Capital D. First of all, write down capital D in first 3 lines. Small h. Start from first line, make a standing line till third line. Then from the mid of second and third line, make a slanting line, then make a curve, come down till third line, curve it towards right. H. Capital H, small h. E, A, F, G, G, H, H. After H, we will write I, E. How to write capital I? Make a standing line from first to third line. Small I will be in middle two lines, in second and third line. And there will be a dot on small I, E. G. After I, we will write J, J. Capital J will be in first three lines and small j will be in last three lines. Small j will start from second line, make a standing line till fourth line, curve it towards left and there will be a dot. I, E, J. After J, we are going to write capital K. How to write capital K? Start from first line and make a standing line till third line. Then make two slanting lines from first to second and second to third line. Now we will write small k. What is the sound of k? K. After k, we will write L. Capital L. And now small l. After L, we are going to write M. Capital M will be in first three lines. Write in proper lines. And small m will be in middle two lines, second and third line. M, capital M and small m. Now we will write N. We will write capital N in first three lines. N. Small n will be in second and third line. N. M, N. Now we will write O. After N, O. Capital O will be in first three lines. Small o will be in middle two lines, second and third line. And O sounds O. O says O. After O, we will write P. Capital P will be in first three lines. P. And small p will be in last three lines. We will start from third till fourth line. We will make a standing line. Then we will make a circle in second and third line. P. After P, we are going to write Q. Capital Q will be in first three lines. Q. And small q will be in last three lines. Q. After Q, we are going to write R. Capital R will be in first three lines. R. Now we will write small r. Small r will be in middle two lines, in second and third line. R. Q. R. S. Now we are going to write S. Capital S will be in first three lines and small s will be in middle two lines. S. After S, we will write Capital T will be in first three lines and start small t from below the first line. Okay, we will not start from first line. We will start below the first line until third line. We will write small t. Q, R, S, T. After T, we are going to write U, U says and how to write capital U? Capital U will be in first three lines and small u will be in middle two lines, second and third line. V, V. V says V, capital V, and small v will be in second and third line. V. After V, we are writing W, W, Write W in capital W in first three lines. W, and small w will be in second and third line. W, capital W. Now we are writing small w. W says wo. After W, we are going to write X. Capital X will be in first three lines, and small x will be in middle two lines, second and third line. X says khas, khas, khas. U, V, W, X. After X, we will write Y, Y. Capital Y will be in first three lines, and small y will be in last three lines. Y, ya. Y says ya. And capital Z will be in first three lines, and small z will be in middle two lines, second and third line. Z says z. Let's revise. A, B, B, C, K, D, D, E, E says e. F, G, G, H, I, E, J, J, K, K, L, L, M, N, O, P, P, Q, Q, R, S, T, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. So you have done your today's task. Now we will do 39 page. You will do by yourself because it is same, and after completing your work you will say Alhamdulillah. Allah Hafiz students.